Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can reset your image or photo project on Adobe Lightroom to original. So let us get started. So head over to your image editing or photo editing project, and there are two ways how you can do this, guys. One option would be to simply click onto or into these three dots here in the right panel and select this option, reset to original. So if I, for example, add a couple of changes and edits to that image for the sake of this tutorial and use that option, it will reset to its basically factory settings. There's one way how you can do this, guys. However, there's always also the version history here you can access and simply go through these edits here and pick one of the past versions with the oldest one of the image called original here with the date. So that's up to you guys. These are the two options how you can reset an image to its original on Lightroom. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.